I just discovered one thing that I never knew in my 15 years of marketing. We created Morpheus for marketers and business owners to be able to test product ideas quickly, to basically find the target market, to find the exact messaging and the pricing that will get your offers to convert. Now, in the past, you would A/B test different pages. You would be looking at analytics if you were an advanced marketer to see what was working, and it would take months to try to get something that actually worked. You'd be having to guess a lot on headlines, guess on different parts of the pages, guess on different offers. But with Morpheus, you can actually test within like minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did here. So we created a product called Rossi Experiential Tours where we take people on photographic tours of Europe. Now, Morpheus created this page within minutes, literally, with all this awesome marketing message, and then I was able to run ads towards it. Now, when I first started the page, I created this title myself. I said, "Are you over 50 and bored with life?" Because our main target market is like doctors over 50. So I thought, this is going to kill it. People are going to click on this. It's going to be awesome. Funny enough, this actually got the worst results. It retained 23% of people for an average of 17 seconds. That means that out of 100 people, only 23% stayed for only 17 seconds. They probably didn't even read anything or see the video. Now, Morpheus actually tested a bunch of others. The second one got 26% average stay, which was better. Third one got 33% average stay with a better retention rate, which was awesome. But then the absolute killer here was this title, which I would have never imagined. Your camera has been waiting for this trip. Now, I would have never chosen that because I didn't even think that that was the target market, but that's what Morpheus chose, and let me show you the results here. With that title alone, it retained 46% of people at an average of 48 seconds each. That's almost 2.5 times better than the one that I chose. Now, if you're relying on your own intellect, your own ideas to get your target market, to get something that is clickable, then you're not doing it the right way. You're not doing it in the most optimized way. Morpheus can find these things for you at a level that was never possible in the past. Imagine how much time that would save you, and imagine how much better your offers would convert if you used Morpheus. Now, not only that, but once it gets the hook that works, it's actually going to go down and test every part of the page, and it's absolutely insane. Let me show you the original page that we started off with. So it goes from this section right here with the video to this, a profile of your tour guide, right, which is me. And then it goes down to some other stuff. So Morpheus actually saw that this was converting terribly. So right here, this is where you can see the actual analytics. It shows that 70% of people kept scrolling, but instantly 30% of people just jumped. And we call that a repel. It literally repelled them from the page. And it shows that they had 15% interest level, meaning that they probably didn't read anything on the page. They read only like a few sentences and then took off. So Morpheus saw that this was like a really bad converting section. And so then what it did is it replaced it with this section. So now the number 2 section is this. Let me show you the analytics on this page. So 100% of the people scrolled past with an interest level of 60%, meaning that they probably read the majority of this and they stayed for 17 seconds on this section. So then basically people are going to be scrolling past the first section and the second section. So Morpheus has automatically created retention in your viewer that you would have never known before, which is so mind-blowing. Imagine what you could do with your current products, how much better they could convert, or even a new crazy product idea. As we all know, ad costs continue to go up and up and up, and so we need to get our product pages to be converting like crazy and to be optimized at 100%. Morpheus is the way to do it. Now let me show you a few other things here. Morpheus will allow you to not only just test sections, but you can test button colors, button copy, pricing, section order, imagery, so on and so forth, until you get something that is converting like crazy. So click the link below to try Morpheus, and I'll see you on the inside.